back, or welcome if it's your first time here. This is Katrina's Price's Home Life and More. On my channel, I share home decor for every season and most holidays. Tablescapes, indoor and outdoor inspiration. And I throw down in my priceless kitchen. I share cleaning motivation and shopping hauls. Join me on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And once a month, the first Saturday of each month for my live streaming. Now let's get into today's video. In today's video, it's all about the Southern style green beans with potatoes. So my potatoes have been diced, my onions have been diced, and into this large pot, everything is being tossed inside. Now in this pot is my ham hocks, because that's just what I'm using on today. 2 cans of Hanover cut green beans. And ma'am, please sir, make sure to wash off your cans. You don't know where they've been. Wash them off, I say. Wash them off. So 1 can of green beans is in the pot. And now time for the second can, and everything gets a nice toss. Next, I've added my salt and pepper, and I'm going in with 1 stick of margarine because that's the way my mom cooks it. So that's the way I cook it. Sorry, folks, but Mom forgot I was recording. And so when I stepped away from the kitchen, she cut the meat off of the ham hock. So yeah, this is what we are left with because I separated it. And now it's in a smaller pot. This is my Southern style green beans with potatoes. Now I use ham hock, but of course you can use bacon, smoke turkey wings, turkey necks. It's really up to you. Well, without further ado, let's plate because you know a girl is famished. So the extra touch, the finishing touch, is a couple of splashes of Texas Pete hot sauce. Well, that's it. That's all for today. I appreciate you stopping by the channel for another time of Cooking with Katrina. As always, don't forget on your way out to give this video a big thumbs up. That's right. Give me a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And if you're new here, well, consider becoming a part of my Priceless family by subscribing to the channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.